What's up everybody, I'm back with another trading session. I take a sell trade right here, but we have buyer's entry. Isn't it interesting? Okay, let's see how can I secure this trade. Alright, this is a good place to take a double trade because of this round number and this rejection, like a retracement point, and it basically can reject and close below this, and even after this candle we can go with the sellers if we get proper result, like closing down here like this. Let's see. You know, I wasn't expecting this. Maybe there's a very strong demand area, but it will have a very good rejection like this. See, that's the previous time. And also this is a red green pattern, so normally we should expect a red candle. And also, all right, let's see if, oh my god, one more gap down. Let's just secure this trade right away. So basically it's gonna be break even. You never, like, what? Yeah, no problem with this trade. You know, we're the two entries, like if this candle is gonna close at the middle, we're gonna lose all of that. I was about to enter right here and secure the trade, but yeah, the reason why it's going up is because of this gap down. You see this gap down, and it's just, you know, making this candle again go with the buyers. No problem, we will figure this out. All right, let's see. I'm gonna take a sell trade at this supply area. On the next candle probably. Guys, please don't ever try to do this. That's crazy. That's so, like, look at this gap. Just change the chart when you see weird stuff. Don't try to fight or do, like, don't ever try to do some crazy stuff. All right. Let's take some good trades, boys and girls. Oh, look at this. This was amazing, bro. This buy right here was amazing. I missed it, but there's a gap, so I probably can take this trade. For, oh my god, both of the entries were terrible entries. I was about to enter at this point. Kind of forcing today's trades, boys, and it's a very good time to understand that no one is perfect, and there's not a single person in the world, I mean the professional ones, that, you know, there's not a single person that you can consider him or her as a perfect traders. And perfect traders also are humans, right? So they can have emotional trades, they can have forcing trades, you know. But the thing is, when you know, it doesn't matter if I lose this $100. I hope you understand and you get the idea. When you are trading with your, like, very valuable money, like let's say you only have $200 in your bank account and you deposit that to your, like, trading account, all right, that's gonna be a little problematic because that's the only money you have, and that particular money is very valuable for you, all right? So you're gonna care a lot, and caring a lot sometimes very dangerous, okay? Because it's gonna enable your emotions It's gonna enable your emotions while you're trading, because that's just super valuable money that you're trading with. And the less important the trading amount it gets, the higher probability of, you know, controlling your emotions and not getting affected by the situation. For example, if you have a losing trade or something, let's add one more. Yeah. For example, if I lose these 2 trades, I can easily make that up because that's just $100, right? But for somebody that only has $100, or $100 is very important in your personal life, it's not logical and it doesn't make sense if you know, deposit that in your trading account, right? That's why I always encourage people to practice in a demo first, and then you can enter real accounts. So on the previous trade, the first entry was a losing trade, and the second entry with marginal safety was a winning trade. And because it was, you know, it's a long wick market and this area is a rejection point, my entry should be down here. All right. Yeah. Let's see if we can find another. That was a winning trade, both of them winning trades. And when you have a triple touch, like 1, 2, 3, the third touch, it gets very important, especially if you have a higher high. It doesn't matter if this is a shadow or something, you have a higher high, right? And then this is the third touch. You can even consider and count on the breaks, right? For example, if this candle was breaking, you could still take this trade. And now we have a doji, nice beautiful doji right here. Okay, another point I wanted to mention is that some people, they're doing good in trading, but sometimes in life they are just bored. For example, you sitting on your couch and you're just bored, and you pick up your phone and let's say you're thinking, okay, let's take a couple of trades. And then you go to your account and take a couple of trades. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, but the time you start trading when you are bored is the time that you're gonna blow the account up. Because if you lose a couple of trades when you're trading while you're bored, you're just gonna try to recover that, so you're gonna lose more, right? That's something that you have to avoid. Yeah, we lost this trade because this freaking gap down. We're going to this one doji range, and I will take 2 more trades with the sellers, you know? One here. Oh my god, again gap down. All right, this area is very important. And this is the third touch, just like this one. I told you that when we're breaking this, we can count on this as a buy. And again, this is a breakout trading, and also this area is a prior rejection point, so we kind of can count on that. And also we got into this doji range. All right, let's see if this gap down is gonna let us win this trade. It's trying so hard. 2, 1, nice. Thank you, gap down. All right. And you see the reasons for this trade, right? Seller's entry here, breakout trading. This doji break didn't work. Rejection point. See, two big rejections. It's showing us that there's too much sellers. If you see significant amounts of sellers or buyers after good amount of rejections, it's showing us that this is a very good supply area, right? This can be another reason. And this is a seller's entry again. And yeah, there was just enough reasons. But for this one, was there enough reasons to take this? Maybe just this doji break, or there's not any level or something to close on. So we also have this gap down in the favor of buyers. So there wasn't any, like, the reasons for taking this sell trade was not enough here, I believe. And even based on the market sequence, we could expect these two exactly right here, right? Based on the market sequence. Yeah. Yeah, thank you for watching, everybody. Thank you for your crazy support, and peace out.